Hi guys, now I'll show you this Renata 346. It's a SR712SW series, silver 1.55v. Oh, Japan made. Interesting. Usually they are mostly Switzerland, made in Switzerland or something like that. Interesting. I didn't know they have a factory in Japan. Okay, anyway, so this one was expired on January 2020. So we're gonna test the voltage. Let's see if there's corrosion or what. There's no corrosion, so it's a good sign. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Says SR712SW, the back. And I'm gonna rip out this to give it a test, see if it's still viable. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a flat type of battery behind. Okay, interesting. So slim. Okay, so that's the voltage. There's no voltage. Maybe it's no longer viable. But somehow the charge is increasing, so weird. Maybe they'll leave it a while. Let me see another one, see if it's also the same. Okay. There's no sign of corrosion though. Let's test again. This one is 1.056. Quite low. I think it's not working anymore. So yeah, sadly this one can't be used. Still increasing. Okay, let's try this again. Yeah, this one cannot. 0.9. It just lost its charge. Maybe do another test somewhere in the middle. Maybe I take another one. Another batch. Let's try the center. Okay, let's try this one. .05. Yeah, this one cannot use already though. So this concludes the test, and thank you so much everyone for dropping by. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.